Your skin is one of the parts of your body that can actually benefit the most from rice.
Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we published a new video.
Rice is one of the common, everyday foods in the whole world. If you didn't know, it's also used to make facial cleansers and homemade remedies. The wide variety of nutrients in rice make it perfect for keeping your body healthy and preventing certain health problems, as long as it's eaten in moderation. Your skin is one of the parts of your body that can actually benefit the most from rice. As you know, it deserves a lot of attention, since it says a lot about your overall health. Today you can learn how to use rice to cleanse your skin and protect it from toxins and contaminants. Why is rice water good for your skin? As a facial cleanser, the cooking water from rice can do a lot for your body. When you boil rice, it releases compounds like allantoin, ferulic acid, and inositol. They act as antioxidants and skin cell regenerators. That means rice water has the ability to clear contaminants out of your pores, moisturize your skin, and keep it from aging prematurely. 1. Facial cleanser. As mentioned above, rice water is especially good at deep cleaning your skin. It will clear your face of any contaminants that could turn into serious health issues. 2. Moisturizer. To use rice water as a moisturizer, all you need to do is use it as a base for homemade face masks. It goes well with all kinds of ingredients. 3. Blemish remover. It's perfect for an evening out your skin tone and counteracting the effects of sun exposure, hormonal changes, acne, and aging. 1. Rice face mask. Ingredients: 1. Half cup of rice, 75 grams. 2. 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters. 3. 1 teaspoon of honey. If you have very dry skin, 7.5 grams. A few drops of lemon juice. If you have very oily skin, oats, avocado, or other ingredients you'd like to add. 2. Rice water facial cleanser. Take the rice water from the first recipe, dip a cotton ball into it, and apply it to your face. It's great in the morning before you put your makeup on, or after washing your face.